Hey guys, happy, what is today? Today is Monday, October, it might be the 17th, y'all. I'm not sure, but yeah, I hope you guys had a beautiful weekend. I did. Had the boys, I had all three of them, and we had a really good time just chilling in the house, uh, just making the best out of a gloomy day. It was like rainy and stuff, but other than that, it was a beautiful day. And I think like later on that evening, what did I do? Oh, we went to the park. It was like getting dark though, but yeah, had a beautiful weekend. I had a beautiful weekend. Uh, Hope you guys did too. So I know we don't never really like come in the evening and talk, but I said let me turn this camera on for you guys. And first of all, thank you guys for all of your lovely comments on the last video, understanding and getting my style, and the questions that I did answer. I really appreciate that. Yeah, I'm looking at the TV. So yeah, it's around 7. Let me see exactly. I don't want to give y'all no crazy time, but it's like 7:25. And like I said, I'm just now getting home in the evening, and I'm gonna fix me something to eat. And OOTD, y'all can't see me because it's dark, but it's the same stuff that she always wears on. It's the same stuff. She don't wear nothing different, but unless I'm going out on the town or something. So yeah, just some sweat clothes. I did have on my hoodie, my sweatshirt. I had on my sweatshirt. So yeah. But oh, I wanted to show. I did get a chance to stop at Savers today, so I'm gonna show you guys some. I bought. Why does this look so dark, y'all? Y'all look really dark here. Let's see if I can brighten it. Okay, that's better. Hope the video was not that dark, but yeah, I got some amazing finds. I'm really excited because I spent like $12, and it's just amazing how things be working out for me. It's just, I know it is the Father, but y'all, it's just you guys in the comments, y'all know, y'all not y'all. I think you guys will understand what I'm saying. Like, I guess like whatever you put out there, he would. I scored something big that I've been looking for a long time. I was gonna order it on Amazon. I found it today, y'all, for $6 and some change. And I think what I'll do is I'll just probably just show y'all in the next video or something if I remember that. So yeah, let me just go ahead and show y'all what I did find. So I found, now we too bright up in here. I'm in the kitchen now, but I did find this, guys. This is a one of those. How come I was able to just say it a little while ago when I was talking to somebody? Y'all know what this is? Where you put the it's just hard to do it without with one hand. It's a macrame. It's a macrame, y'all. That's what I'm trying to say. Come on, Sonia. This macrame, ain't it nice? So I found this, and yes, guys, she already disinfected some stuff, okay? So can't even sit here because the table's bare. But I found this really nice macrame, guys, for $1.50. So what I am going to do is, I'll show you really quickly. Hopefully we don't go dark again. So I don't know if I showed y'all. Right here, there's a hook up there. And it's the kind that you have to screw with a screwdriver. And then once you screw it up in there, the thing that's in there, not an Allen key, but it's something in there, it expands so it won't fall down. So that's where I'm going to put it. And then I'll show you guys where I did I did do one of my plant pots over, and I'll show you. So this pot here, this was in the kitchen, if you guys remember. This is going to go into that macrame, and then I'm going to hang it over there. So let me show you guys the other good score that I got, because y'all enjoyed that other one. And you're probably going to really enjoy this one too, because I was like, is that for me? Like, y'all just don't understand. Y'all don't understand what it does for me. But I had wanted to go in there. Well, the way I went today home from work, I was near there, so I just went on in there, and I found something that I actually said the next time I go in Savers that I was going to look for again. And I think I shared that with y'all, that I was going to look for another one more again. And guess what, y'all? She found it. So, y'all, look at this book. Do y'all see this book? This book is beautiful. It has a lot of nice, this is the name of it here. And it has like all these beautiful pictures, decor styles that I love. Look at this bedroom, y'all. Look at that. How beautiful is that? Just, oh my gosh, just different kind of styles and stuff. And then I'm trying to remember what page I was on because I did have it. I'm just flipping through so I can show y'all. Guys, look at this. Look how beautiful is that. Now, this is what I'm saying about mid-century modern, mixing modern stuff with mid-century. Look at this, look at this lighting. That is beautiful. So that's what I'm saying, guys. And this book, let me flip through some more pages so y'all can really understand why she's so happy. Look at that. Everything that I like and adore is in this book. Yep. And if you're wondering, Sonia paid $2.50 for the book, but guess how much it really was? Take a deep breath, guys, because I'm going to show you. Can y'all see that right there? Can y'all see that? What does that say? $39? I can't really see. What does that say, y'all? Yeah, $39 right here. So yeah, guys, this is the back. This is the back of the book. But the book is really nice because it talks about, like, I don't know if this is the guy. I think it is. It has some hilarious stuff in here. It was talking about going into a room and something gay about the room. And I was like, wait a minute, is this a gay book? Oh, here it is right here. It says, when you have a gay midlife crisis. And it just says little stuff. But as I was going through the book, it's very, like, hilarious. It makes you laugh. And it tells you, like, how you know somebody's, like, probably on their last leg or whatever, going into the space where it might be decorated a certain way. So I was like, okay, the book is hilarious. So that's what made me get it. And guys, I think that's a good find. A $40 decor book? Oh my, y'all. I'm so excited about this. I'm excited about this find, and I'm excited about my other find that I'm going to show y'all probably in another video. But like I said, all that stuff has been wiped off and disinfected or whatever. So yeah, I'm getting ready to have me some, matter of fact, I'll show you guys. I'm going to have me some leftover dinner. And I'm warming some stuff up to add to it. So I'll show you guys what it is. I'm going to be having some leftover rice with broccoli, mushrooms, yellow squash, and purple onion, and then I'm adding some more broccoli, and I'm gonna be putting some sweet garden peas in there. So yeah, I just wanted to come on here, y'all, and talk to y'all, and talk to y'all why I am just now getting home, and hopefully you all are having a very, very great day, like I said, or well, great evening now because it's like going on 7:30. But I know at 8 o'clock I'm going to watch my show, The Neighborhood. I think it still comes on. Y'all, I love vegetables. I love vegetables. In the comments below, let me know. Do y'all love vegetables? I love vegetables. Like, all that's going in there. And then I'm going to put some more sauce onto it. And yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm trying to think of anything else. Nothing else has changed in here. Oh, let me see. Yes, it is. Hold on, let me show y'all. I did remove that plant, like I said, from up here. So yeah, that's gone. So y'all let me know in the comments. Do y'all like this? I think it looks cute. And I removed my vegan book from right here. This is the other flower pot that I sprayed black. Remember it was white. So I wanted to leave it here, but I think I'm going to probably put a nice plate, a wood plate or something I can find, put on there. So this is how I like that. It just looks clean lines. And then here, guys, this is new. That other thing wasn't going right in here. So that is really nice right there, like where my little stuff is. And let me see. Oh, let me put this up. I had a smoothie earlier, way earlier this morning. And then I had water. Okay, water was in there, so I can put this up. But over here, I put my other thing that I think I showed y'all. I put that here and the vegan Bible here. I just think it looks better. So yeah, that's the only thing. So yeah, guys, let me know what y'all think about my other score, my beautiful book that I absolutely love. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And I will show you guys, well, I will tell you guys probably what I did, what's that other thing that I did find. So yeah, with that being said, guys, drop your comments below. Let me know how your guys' day is going. And I'll see you guys in the next video. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and eat my dinner. Let me turn this up. Eat my dinner. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay? And yeah, that's all that's going on. So guys, you've been getting a video. Y'all been getting a video. I've been trying to do more. I just got my computer to start working, so that was another thing. Oh, something that I did not get, y'all, that I found also there, and I put it back. It was 100% cotton throw, but it actually was manufactured from Five Below, and the colors were like a light blue, gray, and it had these little fringes, tassels on the end. I could have got it, but I'm like, I think I'm good with the baskets and with that one basket with the 3 throws in there. Even though it's getting cool, we having some cooler nights. So yeah, guys, I am going to say goodbye now, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much, y'all, like I said, for the lovely comments in the last video, and bye bye.